Hi, I'm Nina Gajic, founder of Skin Virtue. I'm here today to talk to you about pollution and skin health and the 3 essential steps you need to take to protect and support your skin. Every day we're exposed to environmental factors that can have profound adverse effects on our skin. Living in Australia means that we are exposed to high levels of UV radiation, as well as smog, smoke and airborne contaminants, and the fact that we experience more extreme weather events such as bushfires can all have a negative impact on our skin health and integrity. To counteract these damaging effects and to help protect the health of the skin, we focus on 3 steps: strengthening the skin barrier function, supporting stem cell longevity, and neutralizing reactive oxygen species. The stratum corneum is part of the top layer of the skin and it plays the role of the skin barrier. It is our first line of defense and it acts like a shield against pro-oxidative pollutants. It helps to prevent the penetration of microbes and prevent the dehydration of underlying tissues, and it's made up of corneocytes and lipids. These corneocytes and lipids resemble a brick and mortar structure. The corneocytes, which are skin cells, make up the bricks, and the lipid interface makes up the mortar. When the skin barrier is damaged, the normally tight arrangement between these skin cells and lipids are lost, allowing external irritants to penetrate the skin more easily and leads to more water leaving our skin, which is also known as transepidermal water loss. Once the skin barrier has become compromised, it can lead to sensitivity and irritation that can show up in redness, hives, dehydration, dry and flaky skin. This is a major and growing concern for many people these days. To strengthen the skin barrier function, ingredients such as ceramides, free fatty acid, and niacinamide can be included in formulations at optimal levels for specific skin types. For example, drier skin types require higher concentrations of ceramides and free fatty acids than oilier skin types. By incorporating these ingredients that replenish and fortify the skin barrier function, we are able to provide support to the lipid interface and the skin barrier function, and activate the skin's natural defense mechanisms, reducing the chance of pollutants penetrating the skin, and therefore reducing the impact that these pollutants have on the skin. Our second line of defense lies with our epidermal stem cells. These stem cells serve 2 main functions, and that is to replenish and maintain cells within the skin and help the skin to regenerate damaged tissue. Our epidermis is renewed by stem cells roughly every 28 days. This is known as cellular turnover. This turnover rate reduces as our stem cells age. Intrinsic or extrinsic stress factors can negatively affect the health and functionality of our epidermal stem cells, slowing them down prematurely. So it is vitally important for us to provide optimal protection to our epidermal stem cells to help prevent cellular aging and damage. Finally, delivering a fantastic level of protection to epidermal stem cells and neutralizing and soothing oxidative damage is vital. Oxidative stress occurs within the skin when oxygen molecules split into single atoms and their electrons become unpaired. They are known as free radicals. And these electrons like to be in pairs, so free radicals scavenge the body to seek out other electrons so that they can become a pair again. This process causes damage to cells, proteins, and DNA. Incorporating global cell protection ingredients, powerful antioxidants, and extremely light microorganisms into formulations can help protect against reactive oxygen species and neutralize free radical damage. Global cell protectants and antioxidants help to reduce irritation and inflammation caused by environmental stresses. They neutralize free radicals as well as balance out excess radicals to protect the skin from oxidative stress. By incorporating skincare with active ingredients that support these 3 essential steps into your regime, you provide the skin with the best possible platform it needs to maintain its physiological function and help prevent cellular aging and cell damage.